Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Street food in Delhi flourishes across every nook and corner. Well, most nooks and corners of Delhi have a very special recipe of a biryani. Today, I'm showing you a Delhi wali Degi Biryani. And trust me, it's going to work its magic on you. Hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Let's begin. A biryani, of course, varies state to state and city to city. And this, like I said, is a very typical Delhi wali biryani. Well, to begin with, let's make the rice, for which I've kept a cauldron of water to boil. To this, I'm adding in whole green chilies. To this, I'm adding in bay leaves, and along with this, some peppercorns, cloves, and stick of cinnamon. I'm also going to season the water with salt. The idea here is to ensure that the water just starts tasting like seawater. So a good 2 to 3 tablespoons or teaspoons of salt. Let's give this a quick stir. The water is on roll boil. Let's add in the long grain rice. Well, I'm using basmati rice. Our rice is almost 3/4 cooked. Let's drain this in a colander. And let's keep this aside till we move ahead with the chicken. The next step is marinating the chicken. I'm using an entire chicken, and to this I'm adding in paste of ginger and garlic. This is followed by cumin seeds, red chilli powder, and salt. Let's mix all of this together and keep this aside for 10 minutes. Let's move on to the next step, and that is cooking the chicken, for which let's heat a cauldron and add in umami, healthy and tasty rice bran oil. Well, for biryani, it's always important to use a neutral flavored oil, and that's the reason why I'm choosing rice bran oil. Another reason is it's high in oryzanol, which is extremely good for your health and heart, especially. So use that. Let's start adding in the marinated pieces of chicken. You do not need to wait for the oil to heat up because you're not here to fry the chicken. We need to cook it further. Immediately next, let's start adding in the whole garam masala or the whole spices, beginning with bay leaves, sticks of cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom, star anise, cloves, and black peppercorns. Let's give this a stir. Let's add in curds. I'm not using that in the marination specially because I just thought we'll make it a little differently. Let's mix this well and allow this to cook on high flame for at least 12 minutes till the chicken is kind of 3/4 done. Once the chicken is kind of 3/4 cooked, let's start with the assembly of the biryani. On low flame, we need to start adding in half the quantity of the parboiled rice. To this, we need to add in fried onions. Along with this, freshly cut coriander leaves, juliennes of ginger. Next is an ingredient that you'll actually be a little stunned and shocked about, and that is green chili pickle. Well, this is something that's typically added in the Degi Biryani. The next is food grade yellow color, and that's completely optional, but because I'm showing you how typically it is made, I'm adding it. Rose water and just a few drops of attar or kevda. Last and final, the remaining rice. Well, at any given point in time, we are not supposed to press this by any means, neither with your fingers nor with a spoon. Just let it be nice, fluffy, and that's about it. The last and final step is to cover this with a lid. Of course, the flame is low even now, and let this cook on dum for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and our Degi Biryani is done and ready. Let's have a quick check. Well, the beautiful steam and the flavor notes that this biryani has is absolutely different and stunning. Well, just for the uninitiated, a biryani needs to be dug out literally like this. It's also cooked in a deg, which is a pot categorically used for making a biryani. But of course, that shouldn't stop you from making a biryani even in a cauldron at home. On that note, I'm sure the flavors of Delhi that I present you today are enough for you to try this at home. Well, on that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to get Curried. Also, do not forget to make this for your family.